hair, you should always be prepping your face. And I like to use an eye cream. I like to use a facial serum, which I did before this eye cream. And then we're going to get into foundation. And I am trying this Younique foundation, which is a mineral-based foundation. I don't think it's full coverage, but it does have buildable coverage, so you could make it full if you wanted to. But what I do like is it's very similar to Bare Minerals Bare Skin. So it gives you like a really soft, silky feeling on your skin afterwards. And that's probably one of my favorite things about it. So it did give me enough coverage, but I would think if you were, you know, really trying to hide some redness or things like that, you might need to build on a little bit more, or you maybe use something a little more full coverage, in my opinion. I did use DermaBlend over this, and it's one of my favorites. It is a full coverage powder, and I just love the way it looks. So this is another Younique product that I wanted to review. This is their eye primer. This was my favorite thing out of all the ones I used. I was expecting to be like most eye primers and just be kind of thin and silky and that's it. I mean, it gave me a clear base and it held my eyeshadow well. And I can't tell you how well it works. It was just great, and the coverage was beautiful, and the wear was even better. I'm also using the Crown palette here, and I'm using like this burnt orange sienna kind of color, and then I'm getting ready to do the smoky eye, and I did it with a very deep blue with Ulta, and then I used MAC pigments over it to give it a little metallic finish to the eye. Okay, so this is the final look. I really enjoyed it. I had fun with my hair that day. I was going out that night, wanted to make sure it was super, super extra. Outside of that, I'm going to list all the products below so you can have the links to get it if you like any of it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Love to hear any kind of input at all. And make sure you subscribe. Thanks.